What you see in front of you is a standard size geocache. When you open your first geocache, you should find several things. Your first standard size or large size geocache. The first is a clearly labeled cache that is normally some kind of watertight or water resistant pop lock container. Sometimes it is a coffee canister, sometimes it is an ammo canister or can. Normally, it is something that is heavy duty and designed to withstand the elements as much as possible. That's your first indication that you found a cache, besides the GPS coordinates, of course. Within the geocache, when you open it, you should find a log. That's what's underneath of these writing instruments here. The log is where you list your geocache username and the date that you found the geocache. You also should find, if the cache is big enough, writing instruments. It's nice that if there is not a writing instrument, if you have an extra to leave it behind. It's also great if you do plant your own to try to have more than one type. For example, the other day we found a canister that had been damaged by the rain. The pen wasn't working. So luckily there was a pencil in it and we were able to still log that we found it because we honestly did not have a pen on us either. You also may find, and on the very bottom here, kind of peeking out, a description of the cache. If it's something that's important or historical or meaningful, at times the cache placer will narrate a little reason why that cache is there. The other elements you should find in a geocache box are some prizes or something that other cachers have left behind. The typical rule is that if you're taking something, make sure to leave something.